Huawei Nova 3e land in our offices a week before the official launch of the rumored P20. The Nova 3e features a notched screen design that is expected to be a highlight of the upcoming Huawei phones. Huawei Nova 3e has a glass back with a metal frame and follows the recent trend of having a notch at the top of the screen. This allows for smaller bezels and gives the Nova 3e a futuristic look. The phone comes in midnight black and Klein blue shades. We received the latter for review, which is quite nice, and reflects light brilliantly, very much like the finish we saw on Honor 9. It's not as premium as Samsung's offering, but sits well in your hand with a thickness of 7.4 mm and a weight of 145 grams. Huawei has placed the fingerprint scanner on the back where your index finger. Thankfully, Huawei retains the 3.5mm jack, which makes sense for phones targeted towards the mainstream segment. There is a USB Type-C jack at the bottom as well, though the phone doesn't officially support fast charging. Let's talk about the features of Nova 3e. The phone comes with a 5.84-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2280 pixels. The Huawei Nova 3e is powered by octa-core Kirin 659 processor, and it comes with 4GB of RAM and 64 of 128GB storage options. The Huawei Nova 3e packs a 16-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 24-megapixel front shooter for selfies. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Signing out for today.